Koalas, often called koala bears, are not actually bears but marsupials, a unique group of mammals that carry and nurture their young in pouches. Known for their fluffy ears, button noses, and calm demeanor, koalas are one of the most iconic animals of Australia. They inhabit eucalyptus forests and woodlands along the eastern and southeastern coasts of the continent. Koalas are highly adapted to their eucalyptus diet, which makes up almost their entire food intake. Eucalyptus leaves are low in nutrients and contain toxins, but koalas have a specialized digestive system to process them. Their elongated cecum, a part of their digestive tract, helps break down the tough, fibrous leaves and neutralize toxins. An adult koala consumes about 1 to 2 pounds, 0.5 to 1 kilogram of leaves per day, carefully selecting the freshest and most nutritious leaves from the trees. Koalas also have a highly developed sense of smell, which they use to choose the most suitable leaves, often avoiding those with higher toxin levels. Koalas are arboreal animals, meaning they spend most of their lives in trees. Their strong limbs and sharp claws allow them to climb and grip branches with ease. Koalas have two opposable digits on their front paws, which function like thumbs, helping them grasp branches and leaves. Despite their climbing prowess, koalas are known for their relaxed lifestyle, spending up to 20 hours a day sleeping or resting. This energy-conserving behavior is necessary due to their nutrient-poor diet. During the few hours they are active, koalas focus on feeding and maintaining their home ranges. Koalas are solitary creatures, and each individual establishes a home range, which they mark using set glands located on their chests. Male koalas are known for their deep, bellowing calls, which they use to attract mates and assert dominance during the breeding season. These calls can travel long distances and are often heard echoing through the forest at night. Female koalas typically give birth to one joey per year. After birth, the tiny, hairless joey, no larger than a jelly bean, crawls into its mother's pouch, where it continues to develop for about 6 months. Once it outgrows the pouch, the joey clings to its mother's back, learning to forage and navigate its environment. Young koalas, or joeys, spend considerable time observing and mimicking their mothers to gain survival skills. Despite their seemingly idyllic lifestyle, koalas face numerous threats in the wild. Habitat loss due to deforestation, urbanization, and agriculture is one of the most significant challenges for their survival. As eucalyptus forests are cleared, koalas lose not only their primary food source, but also their shelter and breeding grounds. Additionally, diseases like chlamydia and the effects of climate change, such as increased bushfires and droughts, have further impacted koala populations. The 2019 to 2020 Australian bushfire season, for instance, devastated large swaths of koala habitat, leading to significant population declines in affected regions. Conservation efforts are underway to protect koalas and their habitats. Wildlife corridors, reforestation projects, and stricter regulations on land clearing are essential measures being implemented. Organizations also focus on rescuing and rehabilitating injured or sick koalas and raising public awareness about their plight. In some regions, koalas are listed as vulnerable or endangered, highlighting the urgency of preserving their natural habitats. Research initiatives aim to understand koala behavior, health, and genetics better, providing valuable insights for their conservation. Koalas hold a special place in Australian culture and are a symbol of the country's unique wildlife. They have been featured in art, literature, and tourism campaigns, drawing millions of visitors to Australia each year. Koala sanctuaries and wildlife parks allow tourists to observe these animals up close, fostering a deeper appreciation for their beauty and vulnerability. However, their fame also comes with a responsibility to ensure their survival for future generations. Educational programs often highlight the interconnectedness of koalas and their ecosystems, emphasizing the broader implications of conservation. Koalas are not just adorable creatures, but also vital components of their ecosystems. By feeding on eucalyptus leaves, they help manage forest growth and maintain the health of their habitats. Their selective feeding behavior encourages the regeneration of certain eucalyptus species, contributing to biodiversity. Protecting koalas and their environments benefits not only these marsupials, but also countless other species that share their ecosystems. Eucalyptus forests, home to koalas, are crucial for carbon sequestration, making their preservation important in the fight against climate change. Koalas remind us of the delicate balance of nature and the importance of conservation. Watching a koala nestled in a tree or munching on eucalyptus leaves is a heartwarming experience that inspires a deeper connection to the natural world. By safeguarding their habitats and addressing the challenges they face, we can ensure that these gentle icons of the Australian wilderness continue to thrive. Their survival story serves as a powerful testament to human efforts to coexist harmoniously with nature, proving that with dedication and care, we can make a difference.